Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Brawl Stars blind bags. First, gather your essential crafting supplies. You'll need paper, preferably cardstock for extra durability, along with scissors, glue, and a selection of small Brawl Stars themed items. Think about using vibrant colors to capture the game's energy. Having a variety of mini figures or printed character cutouts will make each blind bag a unique surprise for your friends or family. Next, let's craft the actual blind bag. Begin by cutting rectangular pieces of paper, ideally measuring about 6 inches by 8 inches. This size provides ample space for your surprises. Carefully fold the paper to create a pouch, leaving one of the shorter ends open. Secure the long sides with a strong adhesive like glue or double-sided tape, ensuring a tight seal so your treasures stay safely inside until they are opened. Now comes the exciting part, filling your blind bags. Gently place 1 or 2 small Brawl Stars items, such as a mini figure, a sticker, or a small pin into each crafted pouch. Make sure the items fit comfortably without straining the paper. Once filled, carefully seal the remaining open end. You can use more glue, tape, or even a decorative crimping tool to give it a professional and secure finish, ready for the big reveal. Finally, let's add some flair to your creations. Decorate the exterior of each blind bag with iconic Brawl Stars logos, vibrant character art, or cool star patterns. Use markers, colored pencils, or even printed labels to achieve a polished look. Once decorated, arrange your completed blind bags for a fantastic presentation. They are perfect for party favors, gifts, or just a fun activity, bringing the excitement of Brawl Stars to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.